Let's see how to create barcodes in Excel. First, we'll close the document, but make sure to save it. Now, we'll go to this website, which I'll leave in the description, then click on Download Now. And extract the file. Click on this folder and install these two fonts. Now, open Excel, select the text, right-click, Format Cells, Text, and click OK. Now, we'll write the following formula. And drag it down so it applies to all the other cells. All right, now we select all the barcodes. Click here to change the font and search for the font we just installed. And that's it.